Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you recipe of Nutty Hakka Noodles with crunchy vegetables. For making this recipe, I have taken a medium sized capsicum, remove the seeds of the capsicum, then cut the capsicum into thin slices. Half of a medium sized onion, shred the onion into thin slices. Shred a small piece of cabbage and 1/4 part of a carrot. Add half teaspoon salt and a tablespoon oil into 4 glass boiling water. Cook for a minute. I will use only 1 pack of noodles. Break the noodles slightly and then add into the boiling water. Keep stirring continuously and cook until just about cooked. Take sufficient water into large vessel. Drain out the water from cooked noodles and immediately add into this fresh water. To stop cooking process, add little oil to remove stickiness. In an iron kadai, add 1/4 cup peanuts. Turn on the heat and fry until you hear crackling sound. Then add a tablespoon sesame seed. Fry both the ingredient until it lightly color change. Then take it out. In the same remaining oil, add a tablespoon chopped garlic, chopped ginger and 4 to 5 sliced green chili. Saute over medium-low heat until it fragrant. Then add shredded carrots along with the shredded onion and the shredded cabbage. And last ingredient is sliced capsicum. Increase the heat and add a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon red chili powder. Stir fry over high heat. Add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder and 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. I will not use other sauces like soya sauce and other chili sauce. Give a good mix and stir fry until it's crunchy. Then add the cooked noodles. Add some spring onions. It will enhance the flavor and taste. Keep stirring continuously until the vegetables well combine. You can use 2 spatula and toss well so that sauce gets coated evenly. Do it for 2 minutes over high heat. Then add fried peanut and sesame seed. Give a good toss and well combine. Our Indo-Chinese Hakka Noodles recipe is done. If this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.